kayaking, paddleboarding and even a sauna into the future. Maybe some of the things you can do on the River Liffey as part of a new water sports centre. It's set to be officially opened next month and will be fully open to the public from March next year.
So many people, they turn that corner onto the pub, onto the boardwalk, and it's a wow factor for them.
What we're going to be offering is a range of different urban water sports so people can connect with the river. We're going to be having kayaking, canoeing, powerboating, currachs, paddling. So the people that we're going to be serving is the local community. And then we can have offerings for tourists, for schools, for corporates, for families. The whole idea behind this is that it has to be accessible for people. So we want to increase water sports participation on the River Liffey, but we're particularly looking for people who might have barriers to water sports. That could be financial, it could be physical, it could be a mental health issue, and we want to make it more accessible to them.
It's about ensuring that we animate the Liffey as best we possibly can. Like, we have to remember, Dublin is a port city. Our River Liffey runs through the heart of our city, and it is great to see that we now have a municipal-based facility that is now able to support activity on the Liffey. So, great addition to the city of Dublin.